Meaning of haematoma.
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 Haematoma. A haematoma is a localized collection of blood outside of blood vessels, usually caused by trauma or injury. It occurs when there is damage or rupture to a blood vessel, causing bleeding into the surrounding tissues. The blood then pools and forms a clot, resulting in a firm, painful lump under the skin. Hematomas can occur anywhere in the body, but are common on the skin, organs, or muscles. They generally resolve on their own but may require medical treatment if they are large or cause severe symptoms.